goes in the overhead bin. If you have small handheld devices, such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches, please switch.
Have your attention for just a moment. We'd like to point out the safety features of a Boeing 737-700. Safety information card is located in the seat back or literature pockets in front of you. Power loss or emergency alert, and her floor level lighting will respond automatically to communicated by the illuminated exit sign. Now, should the cabin pressure change, full oxygen mask will automatically drawn from the panel above you. Remain seated immediately while the mask is ready to start the flow. Place that right mask over your nose and